Hello friends, welcome to Easy Cooking. Today I thought about making a dessert. It's getting close to Mother's Day, so this year, like all the special days, will be celebrated differently. So I thought maybe we can make some homemade dessert for moms. So let's start making the dessert. This is going to, here I have almost one bowl of condensed milk. It's sweet condensed milk. I have 1 ounce of butter. It's unsalted and it's butter. It's regular butter. So we'll turn on the gas and we'll let our butter melt. The butter has melted, so it's time for us to add our condensed milk in here. Okay, now we'll be stirring this condensed milk occasionally. We'll just let it be on the medium flame until it turns brown, and once it turns brown we'll turn off our gas and we'll let it cool. So let's just wait until it turns brown. Okay, so this is how your condensed milk is going to look after 10 to 12 minutes, and it will be leaving the pan. This is exactly how it will look. It's not going to be sticky anymore. It will leave the pan, as you can see. Okay, this is how it's going to look after you take it out from the refrigerator. I kept it in the refrigerator for hour and a half, and this is how it is. If it's very cold and you can't roll it, then you can keep it in the microwave for a minute or so. So you'll be able to make a ball of it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'll make a ball. If it's very cold, you won't be able to roll it. So make sure it's not too hot, but it's warm, so you can make a ball, and we'll be okay, so you want to make sure you get sprinkles. I have rainbow sprinkles here. You can use any kind you have. You can also put nuts, but my kids do like sprinkles, so I'm going to put sprinkles on it. And we can do the same thing with rest of the balls. Okay, so our dessert is ready. This is how it's going to look. It looks beautiful with the sprinkles on. Do try it out, and if you like my videos, please do share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.